The Republican leadership in Montgomery is desperately trying to trick you into believing the so-called Education Accountability Act is good for your schools. Here's the truth. Every single public school in Alabama will have less money because this bill takes tax dollars from the Education Trust Fund and gives them to private schools. Whether your kid's school is great or failing, there will be less money for your child's classroom. The bill will create vouchers and tax breaks that will allow millionaires whose kids are in private school right now to use your tax dollars to pay tuition. Governor Robert Bentley and Senator Del Marsh admitted if they had let legislators and educators understand the bill, it probably wouldn't have passed. Tell your legislator today to stop the attack on public education. A message from the Alabama Education Association.